This is the 2022 Glastron 180GTD, offered over here at SkipperBud's Lake Fenton Marina. This is an awesome little deck boat, 18 foot long, but very, very versatile, lots of room. It's a nice mix of a bow rider and a pontoon. It gives you that fiberglass performance, but you still get kind of the room, walking space, and versatility as far as seating goes of something like a pontoon. So really nice boat. It's powered by 115 horse Mercury command thrust outboard. Lots of power, lots of torque. Hops on plane really quick, really easy. This one here is a flip up bolster. Kind of see a little bit easier over the helm area. Nice simple layout, pretty easy. You got your Kicker Marine audio there, Bluetooth enabled as well. This one here is your RPM gauge, but also have your depth and everything on there as well. Here's some versatility with this one here. So this backrest can actually be removed and placed in different positions throughout the boat. So we won't fiddle with that too much. We'll just kind of put it right back where it was. We'll throw it right in there. Or you can turn it, spin it the other way, so you can lay long ways facing the back of the boat as well. Here's a little storage area here, but the seat can be removed as a nice easy step off onto your dock right out of the boat. So come on into SkipperBud's Lake Fenton and check out the 2022 Glastron 180GTD.